Hi guys, welcome in my kitchen. It's another exciting day today. The weather is beautiful, the sun is shining. It's an ideal day to be on the beach and enjoy some sunshine. So I just decided to carry on the seaside theme, and today we are going to make this delicious seafood prawn pasta. It's delicious, it's tangy, it's rich in flavor with basil, tomato sauce, sun-dried tomatoes. It's just yummy. Tell me in the comments below what you like to do on a nice sunny day. Do you like to go to the park, or do you like to sit in your garden, in your courtyard, on your roof and bathe the sun? Or do you like to have fun with your family? Just let me know. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. The list of ingredients will be at the end of the video as always, and the recipe will be in the description box for you to check. This is a super yummy recipe. It's tomatoey, it's cheesy, it's full of flavor, basil. The divine flavor of basil goes so well with it. I just can't tell you how yummy it is. If you love prawns, please give me a thumbs up. First of all, I boil some water and then add the spaghetti in it. I cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. You can follow the packet instructions. And add a teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. I also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it so that the spaghetti doesn't get sticky. While the spaghetti is cooking, I quickly heat oil in a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed garlic in it, and saute it very quickly. As soon as I start smelling the aroma of garlic, I add uncooked prawns in it. The garlic is also getting infused with the flavors of the prawns, and it's roasting as well, so it's just a beautiful relationship happening there in the wok. You would have noticed that the prawns are changing in color. They are becoming pinkish. That means they are getting cooked. And I cook the prawns for 3 minutes on each side, and then I take them out. As soon as I take out the prawns out of the pan, I quickly add 600 grams of tomato puree in it. It is 1.5 tins of chopped tomatoes that I quickly blended in a blender. You can see that the spaghetti is ready now, so I take it off heat, drain it, and rinse it in cold water to stop the cooking process. And then get on with my tomato sauce. So I add half a teaspoon of salt in it. Then I add my sun-dried tomatoes. 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes in it. Give it a good stir. And then I taste it. I think it needs a little bit more salt, so I just add 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it. And I add some black pepper. Give it a good mix. I just cook it for 5 minutes and add my prawns in it. Give it a good mix again. And quickly add the chopped basil leaves. This smells so nice. I just can't wait. So then I quickly add the boiled spaghetti in it. Give it a good stir. You can see how beautiful it is looking. It is so inviting, so tempting, so mouth-watering. And it is ready. It's ready. It's warm, it's heartwarming. This is food at its best. Quick, easy, and yummy. My family loves it so much. I just love cooking this. Ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Dinner on the table in 10 to 15 minutes. What else do you want? Oh yum, let's try it. The prawns are looking at me. Oh, yeah, but I forgot to add the Parmesan cheese on it, so let me just quickly add some grated Parmesan cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Too good. My mouth is full of flavors. It is garlicky, it is tomatoey, it's cheesy, it's tangy and salty, and the added flavor of basil is divine. Hope you have liked today's video. And you don't forget to click the bell icon, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, leave me with a nice comment, and I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.